Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to deploy GitHub project on your Netlify, and it will be a complete beginner tutorial and I will try my best to complete it as simple as possible. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as usual, you can see we are in Netlify and I will share the link on the description. You can check it. So first of all, I'm going to create an account over here. If you already have, then you can just log in here by clicking this plan. So I need a GitHub account also, so I already have an existing account. So here you can see this is our GitHub and we have some repository over that place. You can see it. So I'm going to create an account with the GitHub. So I will click over here, sign up with GitHub. Once I click over here, it will redirect us to that place. Here you can see this is our data, and I will click over here, authorize Netlify, and once I done, then it will again redirect me to Netlify dashboard panel. Here you can see they are asking for nice to meet you, let's get acquainted, and here I'm going to give my name and let's read it. Personal, what kind of project? Company project, or 3 games, blog, e-commerce, junior web developer. So let's click on complete deploy your first project. So I will go click over here GitHub. Once I click over here, then they will give us to authorize your Netlify. So here verify your GitHub identity. Here you just research on your net, so verify my email address. So I will click over here and I will check my Gmail. So here we will get some Gmail. As you can see, we already get an Gmail. So visit here, just click over here. Once I click over here, it will be verified. So here you can see we already provided verification. So let's go again, click over here, authorize Netlify. It has done, and as you can see, authorize, and all has been done. So here you can see they are asking for install. Let's click on install, and they are asking for a password. Let's click on confirm. Yeah, incorrect password, so I need to find out the password. Okay, I found out my password, so I'm going to click on GitHub again, then click on here, and it will be processed same way. Here I will click on install, and now you can see eventually our GitHub has been deployed to our project. This is our dummy project over here. So the process is really simple. Once you create and completely create your account, then you can deploy your product or your project easily over here. So let's click on deploy Mahim to Netlify. Just click over here, and it will take a while, and now eventually you can see our deploy has been done. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.